Well, hi there. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make the template for the little booklets. This is the manual way of making a template. So we take the page. I normally fold it the long ways. Get this one out of the way. Fold it the long ways. Make good creases. Fold it the long way again. And this is what I do for making 16 pages, which is actually 8 pages with 2 sides. And then we fold it one more time. You have to make these creases in here really good, because we gotta know where the pages are going. Okay, so we do this. So remember, I fold it in half the long way each time. Now what I have to do, now that I know where the pages are, is open this up. I can see where the pages are. Take a pencil, and I'm going to number these pages with letters. So I'm going to I'll use a marker so it's easier to see. Okay. A, B, C, D, E. I'm going to put a dot on the bottom of that D. E, F, G. I'm not going to use H or I because you turn them upside down, you can't even tell. So I'm going to use a J. Now on the other side, remember I flipped it over that way. K. Now there would be an L, but I'm going to use, well, M isn't, M, N, O, P. I can use a Q, an R. S isn't that, S or T or U or V or W. Let's use an A with a line, a B with a line, a C with a line, and a D with a line. Here we go. So now I have marked all my pages, keeping in mind, keeping in mind that A and R opposite each other. Now I'm going to fold it up again the way it was, like so. Okay, then I'm going to take my pocket knife here. Okay, so folded the way I folded it. Did that. I'm going to cut it so all these pages are separate. Okay, so we have separate pages. Sorry, a little arthritis in my fingers makes it hard to do that. I'm going to separate these here too. And also separate that one and separate this one. So what I was doing is separating all the pages, see? So now I can see them. And now what I have is my booklet put together, all the pages. I would staple it along the spine here. Put a stapler and staple it. I usually staple from the outside so the folded staples are inside so it doesn't get caught on anything. Then I take a piece of paper like this and I'll say that, well, D, I go from D. Now if I'm going to use the inside back cover here, go to E, go to J, then I go from J to A, and I go from A to K, but the K is upside down. Do something so remember that's upside down page, upside down. I put USD, upside down. Then from K we go to D, upside down. And from the upside down D we go to go to, was that A with a dot? Oh, that was A with a line back here. Okay. Now we go to A upside down. Okay, going along here, next page is R upside down. Then we go to Q upside down. And we go, come on. And we go to B upside down. No, yeah, B upside down. Then we go to C upside down. Then we go to P upside down. That's it, P with a dot. And then we go to B with a line, right side up. And then we go to G, which is right side up, F, right side up, and C with a line right side up. So how many pages is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pages. Okay. So then, next thing I do is set this up. I don't know if you can see that too good. I would set this up in Publisher, dividing a 8.5 and 11 up into the page, the size I need. You can take a ruler and measure the size, measure the edges of this, and make your boxes on Publisher that size. Don't forget to leave a little space in between these so you have room for folding them and cutting them. And then what you're going to have to do is link all these together in this order. You link them all together in that order, turning text boxes upside down when necessary. And I would recommend you don't try typing right into the booklet because it'd be too confusing, especially when you're typing into upside down text boxes. Write all your text on a word processor such as Word or WordPad, something like that, and then once you have that finished, copy and paste it into the actual template. All right, so that's the quick and dirty way of making a template. Of course, you can try folding it different ways. See if I started with this way. I started with this on my front page. You could also just number these as boxes and then put the links between the boxes that way. Okay, so that's the way this is going to go. Good luck, and I hope it all works out for you.